Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Miss English Vibes, the place where English becomes easy, fun and exciting. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. And guys, today we are talking about something that confuses almost every single English learner.
That's right. Today's topic is articles, a, an and the.
Now I know what you are thinking. Paul, these are just three tiny words. How confusing can they be?
Paul, I have seen people with years of English experience still confused by these three little words.
Okay, you are right. Even I used to make so many mistakes with a, an and the.
But today, after this episode, you will never be confused again. We promise.
We absolutely promise. So let's get started.
For example, a cat, an apple, the sun. See, a and the come before the noun.
Now, there are two types of articles. First, indefinite articles, which are a and an. Second, definite article, which is the.
Indefinite and definite sounds complicated, but don't worry. Emily will explain everything so simply.
Paul, you make it sound like I am doing all the work.
Because you are, and you do it beautifully.
Okay. Let's start with a and an. Okay, let's talk about a. When do we use a?
Tell me, Emily, I need to know.
We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Consonants are all letters except A, E, I, O, U.
So B, C, D, F, G, H, all of these are consonants?
Exactly. So, for example, a book. B is a consonant, so we say a book. A cat. C is a consonant, so we say a cat. A dog. D is a consonant, so we say a dog. A university. Now, this is interesting.
Wait, university starts with U. Isn't U a vowel?
Great observation, Paul. Yes, U is a vowel. But university is pronounced university. It starts with a Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we say a university.
Oh, so it is about the sound, not just the letter.
Exactly, Paul. This is the secret that most people don't know. It is always about the sound, not the spelling.
Mind blown.
And we also use a when we talk about something for the first time. For example, I saw a dog today. You are mentioning the dog for the first time.
Got it. A equals consonant sound plus first time mention. Easy.
Okay, now tell me about an.
An is very simple. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U.
So, an apple, an egg, an orange?
Perfect, Paul. Exactly right. An apple. A is a vowel, so an apple. An egg. E is a vowel, so an egg. An umbrella. U is a vowel, so an umbrella. An hour. Now this is tricky.
Wait, hour starts with H. H is a consonant, so why an hour?
Because hour is pronounced hour, the H is silent. So the first sound is a vowel sound, and that is why we say an hour.
So again, it is about the sound, not the letter.
Exactly. Always listen to the sound, not just look at the letter.
Okay, so A before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds. Simple.
Simple. But let me ask you, Paul, a honest man or an honest man?
Honest starts with H, but wait, the H is silent, so the first sound is O, which is a vowel. So, an honest man.
Perfect, Paul. You are a natural.
I told you, I'm good at this.
Now, the most interesting one, the.
The feels different from A and an. When do we use it?
Great question. We use the when we are talking about something specific, something that both the speaker and listener already know about.
Can you give an example?
Of course. Remember I said, I saw a dog today? First time mentioned, so we use a. But now if I say, the dog was very cute, now we both know which dog I am talking about. The same dog I just mentioned, so we use the.
Oh, so A equals first time, the equals second time or already known.
Exactly. And we also use the for things that are unique. There is only one of them in the world, like the sun, there is only one sun. The moon, only one moon. The sky, only one sky.
That makes so much sense. And what about places?
Good point. We also use the with rivers, the Nile, the Indus, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, countries with plural names, the United States, the United Arab Emirates.
Wow, the is used so much more than I thought.
It really is. And one more important rule. We use the when there is only one of something in a specific place. For example, please close the door. There is only one door in the room, so we say the door.
I love that example. So simple, but so clear.
Okay, everyone, my favorite part. Paul is going to make some mistakes, and I want you to catch them. Ready, Paul?
Okay, here we go. Yesterday, I saw Ann University near a Eiffel Tower. I went inside and met Ann Honest's teacher. She had an umbrella, and she was reading Ann book about a sun.
Paul, so many mistakes. Let's fix them one by one.
Okay, tell me, I'm ready.
First, Ann University. Wrong. University starts with a Y sound, consonant sound. So we say a university.
Oh, right, a university.
Second, a Eiffel Tower. Wrong. Eiffel Tower is a specific famous place. There is only one. So we say the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower, got it.
Third, an honest teacher. Actually, this one is correct. H is silent and honest. Vowel sound, so an honest teacher is right.
Wait, I got one right?
Yes, you did. But a umbrella, wrong. Umbrella starts with U, vowel sound, so an umbrella.
An umbrella, of course.
And last, a book, wrong. Book starts with B, consonant sound, so a book. And a sun, wrong. There is only one sun in the world, so the sun.
Wow, I made so many mistakes, but now I understand exactly why each one was wrong. This is so helpful.
And that is exactly why we do this. Learning from mistakes is the best way to remember. Right, everyone? Okay, let's remember everything together one last time.
A, we use before consonant sounds, like a book, a cat, a university.
An, we use before vowel sounds, like an apple, an egg, an hour, an honest man.
V, we use for specific things, unique things, and things mentioned before, like the sun, the moon, the door.
And the most important rule, always listen to the sound, not just look at the letter.
A and an equal indefinite. We are talking about any one thing. V equals definite. We are talking about a specific thing.
Perfect, Paul. You have got it.
I always get it. Eventually.
Now I have homework for you. Take any sentence today and try to use a, an, or the correctly. Even one sentence, that is enough.
And come to the comments and write your sentence. We will check it for you, completely free.
Yes, think of us as your free English teachers.
If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. It really motivates us to keep making content for you.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Miss English Vibes right now and press that bell icon so you never miss a new episode.
We upload every week, new topics, new lessons, new fun. We will always be here for you.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are doing something amazing. You are learning, you are growing, and we are so proud of you.
Remember, English is not difficult. You just need the right teacher, and we are here for you always.
And keep speaking English. You've got this.
Bye, everyone.
Allah Hafiz. Take care.